stand with the markets in the last couple of days and what we are going to see in the action in the next coming of days. So first of all, Bitcoin ETF inflow or outflow, how to say it, depending on the day. So basically, we can see that in the May, 1st of the May, we saw a huge outflow from all of the actually ETF holders, all the funds. And that is definitely not a surprise. I believe that is not a surprise. That is not a coincidence. I believe it's just a lot more about already planned things, and that means that basically, there we saw also this bottom of 56 or something like 1,000 per Bitcoin, and before that we saw a couple of days basically with the zero or just some sales, and then finally the day when everybody was selling. So and then one day a little bit more calmer, and on the 3rd of May we saw basically inflows from all of the ETF holders, funds which are having ETFs, and yesterday also well, it's basically everybody was buying. So it means that basically there is this shift in the markets. There is this shift currently in the markets, and that means that basically the bottom is in with this day. And currently, most likely, we will see growing prices in the crypto, and that can be seen also, for example, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust actually also is not selling anymore; it's buying. And that's pretty good news, and that also influences a lot overall total numbers are growing, and that definitely is a sign that now we might shift to the bull run pretty quickly. And also if we then go to, for example, also in this chart, we can easily see this huge difference. There was this big selling day, and then there is like 2 buying days already. And also we can see that basically the price movement is just as the ETF inflows or outflows of the Bitcoin. So therefore, we are back on track currently. Let's go on and show also liquidations, because liquidations is definitely something to watch, because that can also create this cascade effect to that we are all waiting for. At 20 hours, basically that is the very short time frame to look at, and then we see that also there is a lot higher volumes on upside and then on downside. That so 65, 66 is definitely the next targets for the Bitcoin. Let's quickly check also the longer time frames, because that will define actually overall direction probably. And here we see that in this 1 week chart, basically there is also a cascading effect on the way down, but we'll see which direction will be the most likely to happen if we take 1 month of time. Also, there are some bad news regarding Middle East war situation, but escalation in that sense. But probably I don't see the large effect anymore in the markets. I think that is already priced in, so therefore there is no much to worry about this Middle East situation. And then we see in the larger time frame, we see that okay, there is some minor cascading effect on the way down, but a lot bigger volumes are standing to the upside as also previously. Basically nothing have changed. In 67 there will be first big liquidations happening, and on the 70, 71, 72 there are almost 10 billion standing. So Let's see if that will be the case. When I am shorting, I am shorting very carefully because that's definitely a danger to do. Currently, special bull run move is likely to happen in next couple of weeks or months. So, and then if we look to the price of the Bitcoin itself, let's go to chart. Hopefully, I have a gummy coin here. So gummy is also interesting meme coin. I bought a little bit also myself. This is crypto banter coin, and so therefore this is probably the most popular channel in the world regarding the crypto. So I believe that this coin can actually run up quickly as well, because they are not themselves, they are not holding the gummy. So, and all of the coins are already in circulation, so there is no inflation regards the coins, and there is no more coins to be produced. Therefore, there is this possibility that actually there can be this supply demand shock and price can run up quickly. We'll see how it goes with the gummy, basically. But now let's focus on the Bitcoin chart. Now these lines are basically showing pretty perfect situation in the market. We saw this downtrend. Downtrend actually broke up above, and then it retested again the upper level of the trend. So, and now we are kind of looking for the next action, and the next action actually will define. For example, currently we see that there were larger volumes traded at this 56, 57, 58. But no, there is a lot. Then there's also a little spike at this basically retest of the trend, upper side of the trend, and now we are basically starting to go back again up. But as we see that there is no currently volume for it, there is no action for it. Therefore, it's kind of currently seems to be looking like 50-50. Yes, we are still on the uptrend, but there is no volume yet. So that can come in a couple of days. That can come with some news triggering the event that actually can run up the price. So we'll see. We'll see. But this spike down and spike up actually looks promising. That can bottom. That can turn out bottom for this section as well, because spike up actually big. If you look to this, it's 15% for the Bitcoin itself. That is a lot. That is a lot for the very short move. Frame move, that is definitely a lot for the Bitcoin, and therefore I see the 72K region, and then can probably see some like pullback to probably 50, 65, 66, and then the continuation. It always work very nicely, but there is this outer trigger which actually triggers the price to and the real impulse. So therefore we have to wait for it, and then we will see also those short liquidations in the market. Regards the news, let's go on what is inside the news. Is there any significant to watch now? Is there anything significant to mention to? Let's see what is this week going to bring us. Australian dollar interest rate decision probably doesn't affect the market at all. And also we see that in USA there is a calmer really regards the economic news. There is a British interest rate decision, which is also will stay at the point where it is right now. So nothing really important regards the economic calendar. So therefore, I have to look more about simple news and really that can trigger also this up move. And also it's happening in the Hong Kong and China, so it's also impacting the market. Let's see what else do we have here. So yeah, basic to see some outer trigger, and then we will see also this next leg up. So therefore, currently just waiting trigger in the economy, trigger in the news to see price rallying. Still don't see such like outer trigger to move up. And I would say that we have to monitor this. ETFs always are the like currently for the Bitcoin, also for the whole crypto market are very important to monitor. I would like to pay you at one thing. Actually, there is currently no pension fund money into the Bitcoin, but soon there will be this acceptance that actually also pension funds and pension floodgates will open, and there will be pension money coming into the crypto market, and that is the biggest money in the world, the biggest money in pension funds. And if this money is starting to accumulate Bitcoin, you can think of yourself how much actually that can impact the price and how much that can move price upwards. Basically, the ETF volumes we have seen so far will be nothing compared to the volumes when we will see actually pension funds buying the Bitcoin, because currently it's not allowed yet, but there is this process is going on, and there soon will be also pension funds into the crypto, as well as large European banks are also starting to accumulate crypto, which is was not yet before. So, and that is all the bullish pattern what you can see right now, and therefore I believe this will be amazing bull run, as also the previous bull runs have been. Nothing really will change, and therefore there is definitely not something to worry about. It's all about buying the dips and buying when there is the fear in the market, and selling when there is this hype over the roof. That's always been the logic in the markets, and just crypto is the one which is playing out the things even quicker. So therefore, thank you for your attention today. See you next time.